Today we're making a recipe from Baking, the Ultimate Cookbook by Robert Gonzalez and Dan Crean. We're making ham and cheese scones. We've made this recipe multiple times with different cheeses and it always turns out great. Start by chopping 2 tablespoons of fresh chives. Next, dice your choice of ham. We chose to use country ham for this recipe. We did cut the amount of ham in half because country ham has a higher salt content and less water. After you've chopped your ingredients, place the eggs and heavy cream in a measuring cup and whisk to combine. Once combined, set the mixture aside. Now place the flour, sugar, butter, baking powder, salt, and garlic powder in the bowl of a stand mixer. We froze the cubed butter because as Southerners, we're used to using frozen butter for making biscuits. Hit your stand mixer with the paddle attachment and beat the mixture until it comes together as a crumbly dough. Mix until the butter forms pea-sized pieces, but be sure to not overmix the dough. The recipe calls for transferring the dough to a mixing bowl, but we opted to keep it in our stand mixer bowl. Next, add the egg mixture, ham, cheese, and chives. We used sharp white cheddar cheese this time. Once you've added all the ingredients, gently fold the mixture until it's a smooth batter. Once your dough is done, drop 4-ounce portions onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush the tops of each portion with the remaining cream. Chill the scones for at least 20 minutes in the refrigerator before baking. Bake the scones at 375 degrees for about 22 to 25 minutes. The scones are done when they are golden brown and a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool slightly on a wire rack before serving. Let us know in the comments below if you make this recipe.